Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life. And in today's video, it's about how to become limitless. So we don't think about becoming limitless too often, so this video will help you think that way. And I'm going to give you some quick tools on how to be limitless. So if you think about limitless, in terms of your potential, you probably think about, the knowledge that you have. So what you read, what you study, what you learn, that's going to help you grow. It's going to help you become more wise. And as a friend of mine has said to me once, so much wisdom needs an outlet. And he said that to me because I study and learn and read and attend events and seminars, and I'm always constantly learning. And I practice something called Kaizen, which is consistent and never-ending learning. So that's a great way to become limitless, but I'm going to tell you that there's something more. And what's more is that it's not how smart you are, it's not about how much knowledge you have in your mind and in your psyche, it's about how you are smart. So it's about how you use your time, how you set boundaries for yourself, because when you have boundaries, you don't let just anybody and anything into your life. And unfortunately, most of us have people in our lives that we know that aren't going to help us become a better version of ourselves and help us become limitless. And, unfortunately, what we have to do, which is what I do, is I just spend less time interacting with those folks and visit less. That's the key. If you want to become limitless, you have to think about what you want, focus on what you want, and devote your time and attention to that, because you can easily give your life away to other circumstances and other events and other people that don't add value to your life. So what I'm talking about here is boundaries. And oftentimes I talk to clients. I just talked to a client the other day, and they don't have the boundaries that they need to live the life they want, build the business they want, and because they don't have those boundaries, they don't say no. They say yes to everything. And so when they're saying yes to everything, it becomes a life of doing things for other people, other people's agendas, other people's focuses. And that can become very distracting. And today, distraction is huge. I don't know if you know that, but distraction is the biggest problem that we have going on today. And there's a term that's actually come out of that, and it's called FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So people get distracted all the time, and they're kind of snacking on little bits of information and getting confused because they don't want to miss out. So they keep checking their social networks, they check their messages, they check their mailbox, their inbox, and then their mailbox. They check, and it's all distraction. But it's without focus and without boundaries. So if you want to become limitless, yes, read, study, and learn, but also create boundaries for yourself. Focus on what you want. Boundaries for people in your life, and also boundaries for the things that you do and the places that you go, and also boundaries for the way that you think. Don't let anything inside that can help, or that will help you be a lesser version of yourself. Always be focusing on becoming a better version of yourself, and then you'll become limitless. All right, so I'm making this video for you here and on my YouTube channel, so if you're not over there, please check it out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.